Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our Tajweed series with Ahlan Quran. In this lesson, we're going to learn one of the most repeated and powerful phrases in the Quran, which is Al-Basmalah. Al-Basmalah is to recite Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Raheem. It appears at the beginning of every surah in the Quran, except Surah At-Tawbah. It reminds us that every action begins with Allah and depends on Him. The words Ar-Rahman and Ar-Raheem are derived from the root word Ar-Rahim, which means the woman womb. This connection gives us a powerful image to understand Allah's mercy. A mother's womb cares for the baby in the womb in the most complete way. The baby is surrounded by protection, food, warmth, and constant care, without even asking for it. This simple example helps us reflect on Allah's mercy. Just as the womb surrounds the baby with care and protection, Allah's mercy surrounds all of creation in a way that's far greater, more complete, and more perfect. His mercy reaches everything. When we say Ar-Rahman, we mean the great mercy of Allah that covers all creation. And when we say Ar-Rahim, we mean His special mercy with His believing servants. Let's recite it step by step. Bismi, make sure to recite the ba with the proper kasra. B, not be. Bismi. Bismillahi. The lam is recited with a light sound because it's preceded by a kasra. Bismillahi. Ar-Rahmani. We have natural elongation in word Ar-Rahmani, 2 counts. Ar-Rahim. Make sure to pronounce the ha with a clear sound. Ar-Rahim. Don't mix it with a ha. Clear throat sound in ha. Ar-Rahim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Focus on clarity and correct pronunciation. Again, repeat after me. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Take your time and apply tajweed carefully. Now recite it naturally in one breath. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Repeat until it becomes easy and fluent. The Basmalah is not just a phrase. It's a reminder that every beginning is with Allah and every mercy comes from Him. It opens the heart before it opens the recitation. Subscribe and follow us to learn more Tajweed lessons and continue improving your Quran recitation step by step with Ahlan Quran.